younger people, anybody else who's still waiting on being vaccinated, there is no excuse to be waiting anymore. The only thing you're waiting on is to get infected.
That's the message from the Cameron County judge as more officials sound the alarm about the fast-moving Delta COVID-19 variant. Channel 5's Rudy Mireles with when the judge expects it'll arrive here.
Over the last 7 days, 88% of COVID-19 cases in Cameron County were in people 49 and under. A concerning trend as the Delta COVID variant spreads further. Right now, there are no cases detected in our area, but it is already popping up in large cities like Dallas.
The research shows us that we're running anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks behind other parts of the world. So we're being warned that the Delta variant and other ones are increasing.
Those concerns echoing all the way to the White House as officials at all levels continue to push the message for younger people to get vaccinated. It seems like now with this Delta variant, that message is more critical now than it has been in the past. Tell us why that's the case.
Well, Rudy, we're starting to see the Delta variant across the globe. It appears to be more transmissible, and it also appears to be associated with more severe disease, including hospitalization.
As of today, the Valley's one-dose vaccination rate sits at almost 72%. UT Health RGV Chief Medical Officer Dr. Michael Dobbs saying it's likely enough to keep hospitals from being overwhelmed.
Because so many people here in the Valley are vaccinated, we're not likely to see a major surge like we saw last summer.
But as an outbreak of the variant in Missouri sees younger patients winding up in the ICU and on ventilators, Dobbs says young people here at home need to roll up their sleeves before it's too late.
Some young people could die from it, no joke. So, I mean, the risk of getting the vaccine is so low, so low. I would strongly recommend getting vaccine over rolling the dice.
White House vaccinations coordinator Dr. Bashara Shakir added 2 things will be critical to getting more people vaccinated. The first is sharing your vaccination story with someone who may be hesitant but trusts your word. And the second is making the vaccine more accessible by hosting events at places like here at Linear Park, where the city of Brownsville has been hosting vaccination clinics during their farmers markets on Saturday mornings. Doing that will make sure we can reach the younger populations, he says, as well as populations who may be forgotten. In Brownsville, Rudy Mireles, Channel 5 News at 10.